we eat a variety of food every day. Now, what happens to all that food which we eat? Well, the food needs to be properly digested and excreted. Only then we can stay healthy. So, how do we make sure that whatever food we are eating is properly being digested and then excreted? For that, we need to maintain some good habits. So, let's see some good habits related to digestion and excretion. So, first and foremost is that you should eat high fiber food. Now, what exactly is fiber? Well, fiber is a type of carbohydrate which is not digested by our body. Now, you must be thinking that why do we need to eat something that is not digested by our body, and how can it help improve our digestion? Well, dietary fiber is a type of carbohydrate which is not digested by the body. It helps the food to move smoothly through the digestive tract. Since it is not digested, it travels in our digestive system in its original form. It adds to the food and the excretion, and as a result, it helps the food to move smoothly through the digestive system. So, it adds bulk to the food item, and so it smoothly moves through the digestive system. So, eating high fiber food is very important for better digestion. Now, we also need to limit food that are high in sugar and fats. Now, fatty food items tend to slow down the digestive process, and this is why we need to limit food that are high in sugar and fats. So, what do we need to do? Well, since some fat is important for body and we need to eat some fat, it should be paired with dietary fiber. So, whenever you eat fatty food, you should include some dietary fiber with that, so that your digestion is better. Now, let's understand how much time each food item takes to digest once it enters our body. So, let's start with watermelon. Now, watermelon takes 20 minutes to digest once it enters our body. What about tomatoes? Well, tomato takes 30 minutes to digest once it enters our body. Let's see the next food item. Banana. What about banana? Banana takes 50 minutes to digest once it enters our body. And fish? Fish takes 1 hour to digest once it enters our body. So you see, as the fat content increases in the food, the time taken to digest also increases. And what about peanut butter? Peanut butter takes 2 hours to digest once it enters our body. And milk? Even milk takes 2 hours to digest. But milk has many important nutrients too. And pasta? Pasta takes 3 hours to digest. And chicken? Chicken takes 4 hours to digest once it enters our body. And fast food, highest in fat content, takes the longest time to digest. It takes 12 hours to digest fast food. So you understand, increasing amount of fat results in increased amount of digestion time, and that is very taxing for our digestive process. And so we should eat food that is easily digestible, that is low in fat content. So now, can you answer this question? Fatty food items tend to dash the digestive process. Is it slow down? Is it enhance? Or is it stop? What is the right answer? What do you think? Well, the right answer is slow down. So, fatty food items tend to slow down the digestive process. Now, another important point is that you should always eat on schedule. That is, the time for breakfast, morning snack, lunch, afternoon snack, evening snack, and dinner should be fixed. So, having meals and snacks on a fixed schedule keeps digestive system fit. So, whichever time you choose, you should always maintain that time every day. So, every day you should have all these meals at exactly the same time, and that way your digestive process will be much better. Now, apart from that, very important point is that you should drink plenty of water. Why is that important? Well, water helps fiber to form stool that is softer and bulkier, resulting in easy exit from the body. So, water in combination with fiber helps to make the stool softer and bulkier. So, your excretion is much better and easier when you drink plenty of water. Now, there are some do's and don'ts when it comes to drinking water. So, it's very important that you drink a glass of water 30 minutes before a meal. Why is that important? Well, it will encourage the digestive juices and will aid in digestion. Also, do not drink too much water just before, during, and after meals. Now, why is that important? Because water will dilute the digestive juices and hamper digestion. So, always drink water 30 minutes before a meal. And you should not drink water just before, during, and after meals. And start drinking water after an hour or so after meals. So once you have a meal, wait for an hour or so and then again start drinking water, because digestive juices are done with their work by then. So water will not hamper the function of digestive juices. So this is what you should maintain all the time. So you should drink plenty of water, but you should make sure that you are not drinking water when you are having a meal, and you should drink water only after an hour or so of having a meal. Also, it is important that you exercise regularly. Now, how does exercise help in having a better digestive system? Well, regular exercise helps the food to keep moving through the digestive tract. So, food keeps moving and all the steps of digestive system are carried out without a problem. So, exercise again is very important for having a healthy digestive system. So, these are some basic points which we need to keep in mind to have a healthy digestive and excretory system. So, what are the points? First of all, we should have low fat food, because fatty food takes a long time to digest. Second, our food should be high in fiber. Also, we should have timely meals and we should drink plenty of water. Apart from that, we should exercise regularly. And when we maintain all these points, then our digestive and excretory system is healthy, and as a result, our body is healthy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback,
personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.